Hello and welcome back to another episode of Handy Dandy Repairs. Today we're looking at an Xbox Series X which has got a faulty HDMI port. And this is the third time now that I've replaced it. If you saw the thumbnail, this damage was caused by a pet. So comment down below whether you think it was a dog or a cat. We'll get into the repair and I'll reveal the answer at the end. So let's have a look under the overhead and go from there. So this is the console. It's also got some God knows what going on here. Missing a back cover, I guess. Not sure what's up with that, but I might have a spare one here. We can replace that anyway. I'll just heat up this tape so we can get it off. Alright, let's get it torn down. We'll go from there. Okay, we're down to the board. Here's our HDMI port. Have a quick look at that under the scope. And because this has been replaced before, it should already be leaded solder and it should be pretty easy to get off. So we're just going to heat from underneath. Pop that one off. I've already got one pre-tinned here ready to go. So we should be able to just drop the old one, drop the new one out, pull the new one off and drop the new one in. Don't want to damage any traces, so we'll just go a little bit longer. And it looks like it doesn't really matter. It's already been damaged. Yeah, look at those pins. No wonder it's ripped some traces. Okay, this is not going to be an easy repair. Post job Dave here. I'm just going to fast forward through the majority of the actual replacing the port. Please watch to the end if you don't, I understand, but yeah, enjoy. Alright, so here's our old port. You can see how bent and badly damaged that is. So I'm just gonna check some of these pads. They look like they've just been bent back. So hopefully they're okay. Hopefully none of them actually break and we might get lucky. Okay, they look like they're stuck together, so we'll just come in with some flux and our iron. We can try and separate those. Another one there. Another two there. This is a lot of damage for a pet to do. Okay, that one's broken off. so is that one. Alright. So it should be good there. Inside the port looks good. Alright, all in all, an absolute pain in the arse it has been, but we should be good to go. For reference, this is where we were working, down here. Tiny pins. And we are working. There we go. So that's good to go. I'll chuck it on the TV and just test that 4K is working. But should be good to go. I know this was a messy one, but we got there in the end. Bit of perseverance never always pays off. It was definitely a difficult one. Otherwise, if you've got any comments, leave them down below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, all that jazz. If you need anything repaired, hit me up, let me know. Contact details are in the description, and we will see you in the next one.